W4 recipes are pre-configured searches based on common case types. You can use recipes to run across your case data to show the relevant items relating to specific events. For example, recipes are used to find artifacts related to IP theft cases, fraud and money laundering cases, last day activity cases, misuse of company time cases, and much more. These are some of the default recipes that come preloaded with W4. These recipes have been designed to identify artifacts related to specific investigations. For example, the IP theft recipe will include any artifacts that are related to files being copied to USB storage devices, files that have been printed, and other activities such as online services and remote access. For the misuse of company time recipe, this would include any activities such as program usage, personal emails, and the websites which the user has visited. If none of the built-in recipes match your investigation, W4 also includes an option to build your own custom recipe.